Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. Today, I'll walk you through fixing the dev error 5820 for Black Ops 6 on PlayStation 5. If you're dealing with this network-related error, follow these steps to get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Sign out and back in. Go to Settings on your PS5. Head to Users and Accounts, then select Other. Sign out of your PlayStation Network PSN account, then sign back in. This can help clear any temporary issues with your network connection. Make sure you have your PSN email and password handy. Step 2. Power cycle your router. Go to your router and unplug it from the power source for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and let it fully restart. This helps refresh your network connection and can clear up connectivity issues. Try to do this at least once a month for optimal network performance. Step 3. Adjust network settings on PS5. On your PS5, go back to Settings and select Network. Choose Settings and then set up Internet connection. Click on your active Wi-Fi connection and select Wi-Fi frequency band. Switch it from automatic to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz to see which works best for you. Step 4. Update DNS settings. In the same Network Settings menu, go to Advanced Settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Primary DNS 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Press OK to save changes. After completing these steps, restart your PS5 and try launching Black Ops 6 again. This should resolve dev error 5820 and get you back in the game. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to Error Genie for more fixes, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.